Coming in May, brought to you by the Beverly Theater Guild. Beth Henley's Miss Firecracker contest. The contestant.
My cousin Elain was a vision of beauty, riding on that float with a crown on her head. Well, if I can just win first prize in the Miss Firecracker contest, I could leave this town in a blaze of glory.
I feel like my tooth is gonna fall out of my head.
There will be fireworks and explosions.
I mean, after all, he did commit a violent act. I mean, he hit the poor man in the face with a bottle.
I challenge that man to a duel. A duel! I can't help it if the weapons he chose are broken bottles. Oh man.
Only 3 performances.
You may see the Miss Firecracker contest on May 16th, 17th, and 18th at the Baer Theater, Morgan Park Academy.
I don't believe it. They were all clapping. It was a hit.
Good Lord, you butter. A man parading his ridiculous...
Now, that's May 16th and 17th at 8 p.m. and May 18th at 2 p.m. Go check the website.
Yes. Check out the Miss Firecracker contest.